Alrighty, Bruce, here's your 427 small block Ford. Just got to run it, give you a brief description of this combination. It's got the AFR cylinder heads on it. It's got one of our custom ground hydraulic rollers. Obviously, it's got the Borla set up. These are powder coated black, beautiful setup. It's got the Billet Specialties front end, really nice. Blacked out the oil pan for you, black valve covers. So obviously it's Holley, EFI, the Terminator. So a couple things we want to point out: when you receive it, you'll see all these tags on it. Kind of tells you where to go: direct to battery positive, direct there, ignition switch, points. So this is really all it takes to make it run. So it's all tagged for you, and obviously, like we preach, we run your harness, make sure it functions great. So your ECU will actually download that program onto a little chip that's in the handheld for you in case something goes wrong. So all those things, trying to make your life a little easier when you receive this product. But do not hesitate if you have any questions. You got our phone number. Contact us and we'll definitely guide you through any situations there. Go in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down to 3,500, it's 505 torque. Looks like it peaks torque 545. Peaks horsepower 540. Rated at 520. It's got a front end on it too, so runs really well. That's the Borla for you. So we'll get her off there at crate. Come your way. Have a great day.